here, and I got Shopkins Season 3 packs, so I'm going to be opening them. Okay, so let's take the cardboard off. You don't want that. So let's open this up. So we got a pink sushi. Yeah. Sushi.
What's that one?
Oh,
that looks like
it's
a hat.
a hat. We got Tony Topper. Aren't Tony and Susie gonna be best friends? Yeah, shocking friends. Alright, now let's open this one, because no one wants to wait to open Shocking. Oh, it's this little washing machine. We got Wash Out the washing machine. At first when I opened it like this, I thought it was chocolate, but nope, it's a Wash Out. Alright, final blind bag. See who this is. Please be a limited edition. Ooh, it's a shoe. That rhymed. Ooh, we got Jennifer Rain. Sadly, we didn't get any limited edition, but these Shopkins